Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with a quick video. I want to show you all how I create my indestructible bun. You may have seen this reel that I made, and as you can see, the bun is secure, okay? The bun is secure, and I only used one hair tie, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So I prefer to use a longer hair tie like this, and I start off with my ponytail. Obviously, I'll place the ponytail wherever I want the bun to sit. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to do it kind of high. Okay, so I pretty much have my ponytail kind of high. Not the highest in the world. I could go a little higher. I'm going a little higher. Okay. So I think I'm okay with this placement right here. So now, I take my hair and I start to twist it. And I twist it. You don't want to twist it too tightly, but make sure it's secure. Make sure all your locks are in place. And there you have it. Hair tie. And obviously make sure that the hair tie is like on top of the loose hairs. And double the tie. All right, here it is. As you can see, I do have some locks poking out, so just put those in. The bun is secure. All right, but as you can see, now it's lopsided, so you still want to make sure that it's placed properly and fluff it up. Obviously, you're not going to be doing that all day, so you may not need it to be that secure, but I just want to show you how simple it is. Yeah, that's it. If you guys have been watching my channel, I've been doing a series of interviews with some of my customers to get to know their lock journeys and the things that they've experienced based on the regions that they live in and their family backgrounds and things like that, as well as their usage of Love Light and Locks products. So definitely check out those interviews. I have 3 up so far, and I have 2 more to go. Okay, so I'll link that playlist right here. This is a infinity head wrap in the color red. I'm gonna put this infinity head wrap on. Should I wear it like this? Should I wear it like this? Should I wear it like this? I think I'm gonna go like this. But I do want to give it some more volume, so I'm gonna put another infinity head wrap under. Let me grab one. This is just a random infinity head wrap I grabbed. So let me put this down. See how I gave it a little bit more volume? I think, you know what? I like to show a little bit of my hair, so I think I'll have some of my hair showing at the top. I'm actually going to the gym. I don't know if I mentioned that. Yeah. Stay tuned. I'll be filming a new infinity head wrap tutorial. I want to show you guys all the different ways that I know how to wear the infinity head wraps. As usual, you can get your infinity head wraps at KeishaCharmaine.com. Buy 5, get 1 free with the code INFINITY. And be sure to post your pictures on social media and tag me, DM me, so that I can repost you. And you're helping everybody to see all the ways that they can wear their infinity head wraps as well. So thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.